Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are playing huge Happy Rock event and we'll try to get some of the space pickaxes. So if you want to get the most out of this update, make sure you upgraded this astronaut merchant loot number 3, since this will give you chances to get some good pickaxes from the merchant also. You can go ahead and upgrade all of these other upgrades. That's all your choice, so you can get the most of luck, but there is multiple ways to get those pickaxes. So first of all, you can get them from Lunar Pack in exclusive shop. As you can see over here, you have a Comet pickaxe and Solar pickaxe as well. You can get them by buying this, but we are a free-to-play account, so we are going to talk about how to get it free-to-play in this video. So first free-to-play way is actually by going to the merchant, Space Merchant, and in the Space Merchant you can sometimes get some of the pickaxe on these last slots, although you will need to be there for every refresh timer. So what you can do, you can just go ahead, zoom in like this and find a spot for mining where you see, I can see now that my character is mining even though I have the merchant open, and like this I will be able to see all the new stuff on the merchant every time it refreshes, even though I am mining all the time over here. So that's the first way, and the second way is actually by playing this update. Make sure you play this update and then you will get a lot of these space crystals. When you grab a lot of those, you can go in this spot at the lunar gift machine and exchange all of those space crystals for lunar gift bags. As you can see, in lunar gift bags there is a lot of good stuff that you can get. And I recommend getting as much of these bags as you can, since they are giving very good rewards. So let's see, how much did we make? We made 8. I think we are going to just open 5 of them just to see what we will get. We got some new potions, Comet Shower Potion and the Galaxy Potion, which will last 1 minute, okay? But unfortunately, from 5 of those, we didn't get any of the Space Pickaxes. We only have the regular Lunar Pickaxe, which you will get easily when you join this event. And those are all the ways that you can get space pickaxes, guys. Maybe the most chances you will get from the lunar gift packs, so maybe that's your best option to grab those. And if you don't get it, you can even buy yourself a pickaxe from the trading plaza. That's always a good option, and you will need to hurry, because as you can see, this new Titanic pet is limited and there is only 725 of those remaining. You should know you can also use these mining scrolls that we are using for the regular mining, so you get even more luck, more loot, and bigger damage and speed with mining. So that's all from me, guys, for this video. Let me know in the comments how was your luck with opening those gift bags. Did you have some luck in grabbing those new pickaxes? And I will see you in the next one.